Hi my lovies and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting off the video a little bit different than I normally do because I'm wearing my glasses, but that's because I'm doing a video today based all around your makeup and wearing glasses. I am going to show you how to prevent foundation from rubbing off your nose. That is one of my biggest issues when it comes to glasses, and also kind of what way to wear your makeup, I suppose, around the eye area, because glasses are a massive thing when you do wear them on your face. I wear glasses all the time. I need them for seeing far away. I'm nearsighted and I have a very minor prescription. I think I'm minus 0.75 in this eye and minus 1 in this eye. I think that's my prescription. It could be the other way around, I'm not sure. So I want to give a huge shout out to GlassesUSA for working with me on today's video. I got so many amazing frames from them. These are another beautiful pair. They're a little bit more retro, but I love them. Same as my round turtle ones that you just seen there at the beginning of the video, which are really dirty. They're my most worn ones at the moment. So I will go through each individual frame once my makeup is applied, but I just want to tell you a little bit about GlassesUSA before I do get into it. I have been using or wearing GlassesUSA's frames for 3 or maybe 2 years now, two and a half years, something like that, and I am obsessed, still obsessed. Like when I'm wearing any glasses, like here's an OG pair of glasses that I actually have from GlassesUSA, which are really dirty as well. These are the Izzy's, if you're wondering. I have my sunglasses. These are my Ray-Bans. They are from GlassesUSA as well. I've purchased glasses myself from them. They have sent me glasses. There's a few things that I love about GlassesUSA versus going to, you know, your opticians to get your glasses. I will get my eyes tested just to get my prescription from my opticians, but then I'll buy all my frames on GlassesUSA. They're usually up to 70% off on GlassesUSA. You can get designer glasses on USA, which is bomb. You can buy Gucci. I have a pair of Ray-Bans. You can buy Prada. You can buy Oakley as well. You can buy a whole range of designer sunnies or prescription glasses on GlassesUSA. They cater for people who are nearsighted or farsighted, nearsighted, and then bifocals. They do everything. They do reading glasses, all sorts of frames, whatever you want. You can even get glasses with no prescription in them and just lenses. I love them. And the thing I love about them as well is because they do sunglasses, you can get prescription frames in your sunglasses so you can wear them when you drive. You can also, if you're worried about if the frames will suit you or not, upload a picture to their website. Just make sure you take a picture face on, and the feature allows you to line up your eyes or your pupils basically, and then you can pick whatever frames you want to see do they match your face shape, and that's great. So you don't have to order a pair of glasses and then be disappointed because they don't match you. So GlassesUSA, massive shout out. Thank you so much for working with me today. I absolutely love your glasses. GlassesUSA are working with Miss Hilary Duff, oh, Lizzie McGuire herself, and I got these frames from the Lizzie McGuire collection, from the Hilary Duff collection, and then they come in this gorgeous like faux pink suede interior. They're just so pretty, and every single pair of glasses come with their own case. So that is enough about GlassesUSA for now. I will talk a little bit more about them when I am finished my makeup, but for now I just want to talk to you guys about how I apply my makeup when I am wearing glasses. So if you want to see those techniques, let's get into the video. Okay, let's start this tutorial like we do with every single tutorial, and that is priming the face. The reason I use something like the Professional or a pore filling primer when I'm wearing glasses, a primer like this prolongs the wear of my foundation and also mattifies the area where my glasses are going to be sitting, and also it fills in any pores so that there's no rubbing. So make sure you focus most of your primer along your nose, and that's obviously the area where your glasses are going to slip, and underneath the eyes as well, because that's where they will sit, and that's where you want your, obviously, your makeup to last the longest. And then just apply the primer to the rest of your face like normal. Next, I want to let you guys on in a little tip that I've learned from a few girls here on YouTube, and it actually really works, and that's by taking an eyeshadow base. I've seen Nikita Joy do this, I've seen Stephanie Lang do this, I've seen a good few girls do this here on YouTube, and I'm sure a lot of guys do this as well, but it is an amazing tip. So you take an eyeshadow primer. I think they said the best ones to use were this one, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, the NYX glitter glue, and also Too Faced glitter glue. You take a little bit of your base, I'm using Painterly Paint Pot from MAC, and you apply it to the area where you want your foundation to stay. I've also seen these girls use it all over the tips of their nose as well. So I'm just going to apply it around my nose or where my glasses sit. This tip actually works super well. I'm just applying a really thin layer. That's kind of the key here. It's just go in with thin layers And I'm even going to apply it to the tip of my nose because I do find that sometimes my makeup wears off there. And then just going to apply it a little bit underneath my eye as well. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny amount, nothing too crazy. And just blend it out with my finger. Next up, you can go and apply your foundation. So I do recommend using a matte foundation. Some of my favorites are the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. This is amazing. There's no glowiness, nothing like that to this foundation. It is awesome. My MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I can't find my Estee Lauder Double Wear, but that's another recommendation of mine. And then also the My Perfect Color from Pennies. So I'm actually going to take the Maybelline Superstay today. I'm just going to apply this to my face. A matte foundation is the most ideal foundation to wear if you are wearing your glasses, and I understand people aren't going to change their foundation if they have different skin types, but what you can do is you can kind of just avoid the under eye area and around the nose and just go in with a mattifying concealer either. But I do find that the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer is actually great for that job, and it just kind of saves you having to buy a mattifying foundation. I know I look a little bit different now, guys, but this clip got cut out of my original videos, so I just said I'd refilm it. But the next step is to conceal. So what you want to do is you want to just conceal underneath your eyes like you normally would do. So I'm just applying the Tarte Shape Tape underneath my eyes. I'm just keeping it as close to under the eyes as possible, not dragging it down too much, because the more layers that you add underneath where your glasses sit, the more it will tend to rub. Now this step is a really cool tip that I've learned from some beauties here on YouTube, and it's taking a loose powder. And what I do is I go in with my beauty blender and I'll just take the loose powder on my beauty blender and set the area or bake that I applied the primer to, the eyelid primer, and then the tip of my nose. That will just stop it from wearing away. You can just apply a little bit to underneath the eyes as well. And then I will just blend out my concealer and then just set them like normal. So I'm just going to leave that bake on for a little bit, blend out the concealer, and then I'll come back to you guys and it'll be the old me from the past. Now I've let that powder sit for a while and bake, I'm just going to wipe it away, and then I'm just going to set the rest of my face as well with my normal setting powder. L'Oreal True Match suits me perfect, so I'm just going to apply that to the rest of my face. I also feel like by baking as well that area, it makes it way smoother too, and also allows my glasses to sit and not budge, and that's kind of like the main aim of the game. You don't want your glasses budging and moving around. I'm taking Morphe's Vlogger Duo, and I'm just taking the darker matte side, and I'm just going to take it on my P60 brush from Wet n Wild and just bronze up the rest of my face. You don't need to worry too much about the rest of your face, like just do your makeup like you normally would. I've gone way too ham on this side. What has happened? Oh man alive. Okay, crisis averted. Once you're ready to contour underneath your cheekbones, just do it the normal way or whatever way you would normally do. You don't need to do anything special because you will be able to see this area of your face normally. So just do your blush and highlight. I'm going to do them off camera and I will come back to you guys. Brows are really important in general for framing your face. They just make your face look complete, I feel. If you are wearing glasses, I do recommend just to fill in your brows in some way, even lightly, just to kind of make them stand out a little bit more, because your glasses tend to usually sit underneath your brows. So I just add a little bit of depth to my brows and just make them stand out a little bit more over my glasses. For my eyelids, I will prime them again, and I'm taking Paint Early Paint Pot. I always prime my eyelids just to make my eyeshadow stand out a little bit more and just make the eyeshadow on top last a little bit better throughout the day. So the thing with eyeshadow when you are wearing glasses is the glasses will make any eyeshadow like look a little less intense. So don't be afraid to go a little bit more intense than you normally would with your eyeshadows. So I'm going to take the Sigma Warm Neutrals 2 and going in with Toasty first. And I'm taking it on a Morphe M504 brush. And I'm just going to apply this directly into the crease just as a transition. But I generally will wing out my eye as well, or kind of give it like a more cat eye shape, just to kind of make my eyes look a little bit more elongated. So next up, I'm going to take the shade Henna, which is this a deeper, warmer brown, and I'm just going to apply that again into the crease a little bit lower, and we're just building it up. And I'm going to use that dark Henna shade as well on a Morphe M507, and just going to apply that all over the lower lash line just to intensify that and just wing out the outer corner. So next I'm going to take a little bit of Rogue, it's just this red shade here, and just pop that into my crease as well, just to add a bit of warmth. And I'm going to just go over a little bit of the brown on the bottom just to kind of warm that up as well. Now I'm going to go in with the deepest shade, which is After Hours, and I'm just going to pop this on the outer corner of the eye. You can take whatever you want. It's just about adding layers and just kind of deepening up the eye a little bit. Taking Humble, I'm just highlighting underneath the brow bone just to make my brows stand out and just add a little bit more dimension to them, and again framing my face. Add in a little bit of this shade here, Bittersweet. So something really bright like this or something really intense will show up a little bit better. Whereas I always find lighter colours on my lid don't show up as well, like you don't see them as much. So wing liner is an option obviously, but I do think that it helps when you are wearing glasses just to make your eyes look a bit bigger, elongate them, and just kind of intensify your look. I'm taking this from the JLo collection from INGLOT. And you can probably see from this eye to this eye, it's just made it a little bit more elongated, and it just helps. So I'm not bringing it the whole way into my inner corner of my eye. Instead, I'm just going to bring it halfway. Next up, I'm just going to apply mascara. I do recommend curling your lashes. I tend to have lashes that kind of curl a little bit anyway, but if you have straight lashes, I recommend just curling them just so that your lashes don't hit off your glasses or you get mascara onto your glasses, because I do know some people have said that that happens to them. The next step is completely optional, and that is applying false lashes. I don't tend to wear too many false lashes when I am wearing my glasses, or if I am wearing false lashes for a video or something, I'll peel them off before I put my glasses on. So I just feel like they irritate me when I'm wearing my glasses, especially if I'm, you know, going to the cinema or driving or something. Just like the blinking and the, sometimes depending on the type of eyelashes, they can be hitting off the lenses and annoying me. So I'm not going to do any lashes in this video because I'm going to be wearing my glasses for the rest of the day and I'm going out and about. I'm going to show you a couple of different lip options, but the first one is like my go-to nude lip at the moment, and I'm taking the lip liner from Colourpop in 951. I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm going to place INGLOT's shade Mauve. This is their new lipsticks, into the whole of my lips, and I'm just going to go with a basic nude, and then I will show you something a little bit more brighter for some of the other frames. So this is my favourite look to wear when I'm wearing something like the Hilary Duff frames, which I absolutely adore. The emphasis is more on my glasses than my eyes. So because I have wing liner, you can see my eyes and everything perfectly, and I think they look so much better with just a little bit of a wing on the outer corner. But even if you didn't have the wing, you could kind of still have the emphasis on the eyes because it's a little bit more deeper in the crease, and this eye look will go with so many different lip colours. So that's it with the Hilary Duff ones, which I absolutely love these. And when I wore them in one of my vlogs, everyone was like, what glasses are they? I need them in my life. I also love the nude lip with these glasses, and you can see now that my eyes are a little bit more less, I don't know, there's probably a glare coming off the window as well. I'll pull down the blind. So because of the way I did my makeup, you can see the wing and everything on my eye, and you can see the crease. I can see it perfectly when I'm looking directly at it, but these glasses sit right into the crease of my eye, so it's just a little bit less intense, the crease with these glasses, but I just still love the look of these glasses. These are like my favorite, and I love the nude lip with them because of the nudeness of the frame, the turtle shell style. I just love it. The other style I love to wear nude lips with is my sunglasses. These are my Ray-Bans. I just love them because the style of them and the nude lip, I just really like it together. Again, it has the turtle shell. Now with these frames, I prefer to wear a red lip, so I'm just going to put a red lip with these because I just think the black and the red lip just go very nice together. I was talking away and the camera wasn't even filming. I've just applied the Retro Matte MAC liquid lipstick in Feel So Grand. So this is the red with the black frames. I just think the red looks really nice. It just looks real sophisticated. And because the glasses from GlassesUSA are so affordable, I have so many different pairs and they just go really well with different makeup looks. So you can literally have a different pair of glasses depending on the makeup look you want to do. How cool is that? So my last frames are quite big and in your face, so I'm going to do a more burgundy deep lip with them, and I'm taking the Makeup Forever, this is the waterproof pencil in 12C, and then I'm taking these Brittany by Rincon. These are their velvet matte liquid lipsticks. These are really good liquid lipsticks, and I got them sent to me from Beauty Bay and I'm unbelievably shook, and I highly recommend them. So I thought I would show you this deep lip. Look how deep that is. It's amazing. That lip is a little bit messy. I don't have the sturdiest of hands today. And I love really deep dark lips. I just think they're so vampy. These are so cool. So they're just a plain black frame, but I just think the dark lip with the black frame looks amazing. These are one of my favorite pairs of the glasses. These look exactly like a pair of Tommy Hilfiger that I have, but they're just much more affordable. And the Tommy Hilfiger one's broke. And I've never had a pair of Glasses USA break in my life, ever. And the other pair look like these. These are really cool. I know they're not for everyone, but I just really like them. I think they are amazing. My family members said that they look a bit nerdy, and I was like, yeah, I love them, and I am a nerd. Hello, I'm a scientist. Like, can I not wear glasses like these? These are from the Muse range, and I don't know, even though they are grey, I slightly see like a tinge of purple going through them. That's why I thought that this lip would look super beautiful with them. Guys, I want to say a huge thank you to Glasses USA for working with me today, and I would highly recommend you guys check them out. I will link them down below, as well as all the glasses I featured in like order. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and how to stop your makeup from rubbing off when you are wearing your glasses. So I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will talk to all you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!